Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 12th August which is celebrated as International Youth Day. Now welcome everybody to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall look at some of the important events happened on 12th August in history of India and the world which all of us must know. Now let's have a look at those events happened in history on this day in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. So keep up your willpower, which is the key point towards your success. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which treaty was signed between Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II and Robert Clive of East India Company on this day in 1765, which led to the beginning of East India Company's rule in India? Answer: Treaty of Allahabad. And Bihar, Bengal and Odisha first came under East India Company's rule. Question number 2. Which Indian physicist and astronomer was born on this day in 1919 is known as father of Indian space program? Answer: Vikram Sarabhai. He is also known for his prime role in establishing Indian Space Research Organization. Question number 3. Which theosophist died on this day in 1945 was husband of Bharatanatyam dancer Rukmini Devi Arundel, who along with Ani Besant had organized the National University of India at Chennai? Answer: George Sidney Arundel. Question number 4. Which Indian film director born on this day in 1971 has directed his first film Ek Vibah Aisa Bhi? Answer: Kaushik Ghatak. He had also directed serials like क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, प्यार के दो नाम, एक राधा एक श्याम और प्यार का दर्द है मीठा मीठा प्यारा प्यारा, टेलीकास्टेड इन स्टार प्लस चैनल. Question number 5. Which Hindi literature died on this day in 1982, whose notable works are कालिदास का भारत, कादम्बरी, बुद्ध वैभव, लाल चिन्ह, गंगा गोदावरी, भारत की संस्कृति की कहानी? आंसर: भगवत शरण उपाध्याय. Question number 6. Which Indian economist and 19th governor of RBI became chairman of Economic Advisory Council of Prime Minister on this day in 2009? Answer: C. Rangarajan. Question number 7. Which is the first personal computer released by IBM on this day in 1981, which was 95 kg with 17 to 256 KB RAM and 10 MB hard disk? Answer: 5150. Question number 8. Which city was incorporated as a town on this day in 1833? Answer: Chicago. This is a city of America, and in this city Vivekananda had given his famous speech Arise and Awake. Question number 9. Which American inventor patented his invention swing machine on this day in 1851? Answer: Isaac Singer. Question number 10. Which company made its first car on this day in 1908? Answer: Ford. Henry Ford was the founder of this company. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.